Hello everyone, I'm Reema Aggarwal, Assistant Professor from Management Education and Research Institute. Welcome to the session on Introduction to Generative AI. Let's get started. Concepts and meaning of Generative AI. Generative Artificial Intelligence, often called Generative AI or Gen AI, is a type of AI that can create new content like conversations, stories, images, videos, and music. It can learn about different topics such as languages, programming, art, science, and more, and use this knowledge to solve new problems. For example, it can learn about popular design styles and create a unique logo for a brand or an organization. Businesses can use generative AI in many ways, like building chatbots, creating media, designing products, and coming up with new ideas. Let's now talk about evolution of generative AI. Generative AI has come a long way from its early beginnings. Here's how it has evolved over time, step by step. The early days, rule-based systems. AI systems followed strict rules written by humans to produce results. These systems could only do what they were programmed for and couldn't learn or adapt. For example, a program could create simple shapes but couldn't draw something creative like a landscape. Introduction of machine learning, 1990s to 2000s. AI started using machine learning, which allowed it to learn from data instead of just following rules. The AI was fed large data sets, example pictures of animals, and it learned to identify patterns and make predictions out of it. The rise of deep learning, 2010s. Deep learning improved AI significantly by using neural networks, which mimic how the human brain works. AI could now process much more complex data, like thousands of photos, and start generating new content. Generative adversarial networks, 2014. This was introduced in 2014, which used two AI systems that work together. One generates new content and the other checks if it looks real. This made generative AI much better at creating realistic images, videos, and sounds. Large language models, LLMs, and beyond, 2020s, models like GPT-3 and GPT-4 can understand and generate human-like text. They are trained on massive amounts of data from books, websites, and other sources. AI can now hold conversations, write essays, generate code, and much more. Example, ChatGPT can help you draft an email, write a poem, or even solve problems. Multimodal generative AI that is present. New AI models can handle multiple types of data at one: text, images, audios, and videos. This allows AI to create content that combines different formats. Example, AI can take a written description and turn it into an animated video or a song with the help of different models integrating together. Now let's talk about types of generative AI models. Generative AI is versatile with different models designed for specific tasks. Here are some types. Text to text. These models generate meaningful and coherent text based on input text. They are widely used for tasks like drafting emails, summarizing lengthy documents, translating languages, or even writing creative content. Tools like ChatGPT is brilliant at understanding context and producing human-like responses. Text to image. This involves generating realistic images from descriptive text. Tools that can create a custom digital image based on prompts, offering endless possibilities for designers, artists, and marketers. Image to image. These models enhance or transform images based on input data. For example, they can convert a daytime photo into a nighttime scene, apply artistic filters, or refine low-resolution images into high-quality visuals. Image to text. AI tools analyze and describe the content of images in text form. This technology is especially beneficial for accessibility, helping visually impaired individuals understand visual content through detailed captions. Speech to text. This application converts spoken words into written text. It powers virtual assistants like transcription software and automated subtitles, making it a vital tool for communication, accessibility, and documentation. Text to audio. Generative AI can create music, sound effects, or audio narrations from textual prompts. This empowers creators to explore new soundscapes and compose unique auditory experiences tailored to specific themes or moods. Next is text to video. These models allows users to generate video content by describing their ideas in text. For example, a marketer could input a vision for a promotional video and the AI generates visuals and animations, streamlining content creation. Multimodal AI. These systems integrate multiple input and output formats like text, images, and audio into a unified interface. For instance, an educational platform could let students ask questions via text and receive answers as interactive visuals or audio explanations, enhancing learning experience. Now, let's talk about the relationship between humans and generative AI. In today's world, generative AI has become a trusted best friend for humans, working alongside us to achieve incredible things. Imagine a painter creating a masterpiece while they focus on the vision. Generative AI acts as their assistant, mixing colors, suggesting designs, or even sketching ideas. The painter remains in control, but the AI makes the process faster and more exciting. This partnership is like having a friend who is always ready to help. A writer stuck on the opening line of a story can turn to generative AI for suggestions that spark creativity. A business owner without design skills can rely on AI to draft a sleek website or marketing materials. Even students can use AI to better understand complex topics by generating easy-to-grasp explanations or visual aids. Generative AI is not here to replace humans but to empower them. It takes on repetitive tasks, offers endless possibilities, and helps people achieve results they might not have imagined alone. At the same time, humans bring their intuition, creativity, and ethical judgment, ensuring the AI's contributions are meaning and responsible. In this era, generative AI truly feels like a best friend, always there to support, enhance, and inspire us while letting us stay in charge. Today, humans and AI make an unbeatable team, achieving more than ever before. Benefits of generative AI. Generative AI offers innovative tools that enhance creativity, efficiency, and personalization across various fields. Enhances creativity. Generative AI enables the creation of original content like images, music, and text, helping artists, designers, and writers explore fresh ideas. It bridges the gap between human creativity and machine-generated innovation, making the creative process more dynamic. Accelerates research and development. In fields like science and technology, generative AI reduces the time needed for research by generating multiple outcomes and predictions, such as molecular structures in drug development. This speeds up innovation and helps solve complex problems efficiently, improves personalization. Generative AI creates tailored content based on user preferences. From personalized product designs to customized marketing campaigns, it enhances user engagement and satisfaction by delivering exactly what users need or want. Empowers non-experts. Even users without expertise can create high-quality content using generative AI. This helps individuals learn new skills, access creative tools, and open doors to personal and professional growth. Drives economic growth. Generative AI introduces new roles and opportunities by fostering innovation, automating tasks, and enhancing productivity. This leads to economic expansion and creation of jobs in emerging fields. Let's now talk about limitations of generative AI. While generative AI offers many benefits, it also comes with certain limitations that needs to be addressed. Data dependence. The accuracy and quality of generative AI outputs depend entirely on the data it is trained on. If the training data is biased, incomplete, or inaccurate, the generated content will reflect these flaws. Limited control over outputs. Generative AI can produce unexpected or irrelevant results, making it challenging to control the content and ensure it aligns with specific user requirements. High computational requirements. Training and running generative AI models demand significant computing power, which can be costly and resource intensive. This limits accessibility for smaller organizations or individuals. Ethical and legal concerns. Generative AI can be misused to create harmful content like fake news, which can spread misinformation or violate privacy. These ethical and legal challenges require careful regulation and oversight to prevent abuse. So, what do we conclude from this session? We conclude that generative AI represents a remarkable step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to create content, generate ideas, and solve complex problems has the potential to reshape industries and unlock new possibilities. As generative AI continues to evolve, its impact on various domains will only become more profound, guiding in an era of unprecedented creativity and innovation. Happy learning. Have a nice day.